The term black gold is usually used for crude petroleum as it is such a valuable commodity. But India has its own black gold opportunity, hair. India accounts for 88% of total global hair exports. This black gold economy generates a whopping 550 million annually from hair and hair-related products. India's export value of hair-related products stands at $138 million. The scale of which can be best understood by the fact that the next biggest exporter, Pakistan, has only about 4.4 million worth of exports. And the reason behind India's booming hair export industry? Well, globally rising hair fall issues. Around 2 billion people worldwide experience hair loss. And according to the data from the International Society of Hair Restoration, Cognitive Market Research and Statista, over 40% of the people experiencing hair loss opt for wigs or hair pieces. In fact, more than 53% of doctors prescribed hair wigs. Additionally, hair market also includes hair extensions and toupees, whether for cosmetic or health-related reasons. And according to Aridson, the global hair market can rise up to $11 billion by 2029. But still, why is India leading this market, and where is this hair worth $138 million coming from? The answer to why is genetics. Indian hair is considered superior due to its fine texture, dark color, thickness, structure, and compatibility with European hair. And as a majority of Indians, especially in rural areas, do not partake in regular chemical treatment for hair, India has a good supply of virgin hair. And the answer to where is temples, barbershops, and even households. Tonsuring, or the practice of shaving heads, is an important ritual in many Hindu temples for a variety of reasons. Tirumala Venkateshwara, for example, generates Rs 33 crore annually with over 500 tons of hair from 12 million devotees. If tonsured accurately, we get Remi hair, which is an intact cuticle-aligned hair strand from root to tip. Then we have barber shops and salons, as well as combs of long-haired women, especially in Indian villages and households, for non-Remi hair. This comb hair makes up for the bulk of hair sold, contributing significantly to the global market. So combined, the virgin hair, Remi hair and non-Remi hair are in abundant supply in India due to cultural practices and sheer population, making the cost of import quite less for the people buying these in the global hair market. For NDTV, this is Anviti.